Hi everyone, AJ Magoon here, Executive Director for Summit Players Theatre. It's a really beautiful spring day out. The sky is blue, the sun is shining, there's all manner of little green things poking up out of the ground. So I figured I would take some time and head out to the woods and take a walk and clear my head, and I wanted you to join me. Around this time last year, I was filming another video in these same woods where I announced that our 2020 season was canceled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And that was definitely one of the toughest videos that we've had to make, one of the hardest announcements we've had to make as a company. And that's why it feels so much better to feel more optimistic, to be out in the sunshine, and to be able to share some really bright and positive news with you today, which is that Summit Players Theatre is coming back in the summer of 2021, this coming summer, June 12th through August 22nd. We'll be presenting The Winter's Tale, which we didn't get to present last year because of the pandemic. We will be visiting 24 different state parks if plans all hold up, and I am very, very excited to have you along on what is going to prove to be our biggest and our best season yet. Our entire team from last year is coming back, just a few substitutions, and they're all fantastic. This is going to be a really, really great summer, and I am so excited for you to see what we're cooking up. Now, obviously there will be some things this year that will be different than our past years of Shakespeare in the state parks, but we are still committed to creating an experience in the parks that is fun, that is accessible, that's free and enjoyable for everyone, while also remaining safe for the whole team and the whole audience. So to that end, we are working with the Wisconsin DNR. They are helping us develop COVID mitigation plans for every property that we plan to go to, and we are going to use those policies in those mitigation plans to put forth a set of guidelines to help keep everyone safe in the parks. So those guidelines will be available online before each show, starting right now. Honestly, you can go online, you can see what we're going to be asking of audience members and team members so that you can be prepared when you're on the ground with us to figure out everything that you're going to need to do. It's going to be easy, it's going to be simple, but it's going to keep us all safe and happy and allow Shakespeare in the state parks to happen again this summer. Since this company began back in 2015, it's been really clear that we can't make anything happen without our community. Our community is the ones who showed up right from the beginning and made it clear to us that there was a need for this in the state parks and that we should come back, that this shouldn't just be a one-time project. So we turned it into a company, and our community has been showing up year after year, increasing audiences and bringing friends and families, donating online, doing everything possible to make Shakespeare in the state parks happen every summer. We can't do it without you. You helped us get through a difficult COVID summer in 2020. You joined us online for No Bummer Summer, and we're so excited to bring Shakespeare back to you. So as a member of our community, what can you do to make sure that Shakespeare in the state parks happens this summer for real and for certain, even before you get into the park? I'm glad you asked. You can keep wearing a mask, you can keep social distancing, washing your hands or using hand sanitizer, and following the CDC guidelines to make sure that you and the people around you stay safe. There's some light at the end of the tunnel, but the COVID-19 pandemic is not gone, and we want to make sure that everyone is perfectly safe as we prepare for our return. You can also get vaccinated. Vaccines are now available for every Wisconsinite over 16 years old. Get your vaccine, and it's going to help you stay safe. It's going to help keep our community safe. A larger vaccinated audience means it'll be easier and easier to put this thing together this summer. And if you bring your vaccine card, if you bring your proof of vaccine to a show, we've got exclusive merchandise. We have got swag for you. You are going to be able to get stuff that no one else is going to be able to get because you are vaccinated and because you are a hero who's helping us bring live theater back into the world. You can buy a park sticker, support the state park system, support your local parks, support parks you've never been to before, support parks that we're gonna visit this summer by buying a sticker. It means that when it comes time to actually get to the park this summer to come see us, you're not going to have to do anything. It's already going to be figured out. You can just drive in and see the show. And along the lines of support, you can donate online and support Summit Players Theater for another season. We need your support. We need your help. We need you to be there for us as you've been there for us all these years. Your support helps bring our shows back. Your support helps pay our actors at a time when work is pretty scarce. Your support is everything to us, and we cannot thank you enough, those of you who have already donated, and we hope that the rest of you will come, will support us through your donations, through your presence at our shows. We can't wait to see you in the parks this summer. You can find information for everything I was just talking about on our website. There you'll find the schedule of shows, you'll find our COVID policies, you'll find our donation link. Everything you need is right there at summitplayerstheater.com. So feel free to check that out whenever you want, and stay safe, be happy, go take a walk in the woods today or tomorrow or whenever there's some nice weather. We can't wait to see you in the parks this summer. Thank you.